Hey, what's up, Hedera Hashgraph? This is the latest news of Hedera Hashgraph and what's the future? Can the price in upcoming time moving upward or not? Let's get started this video, my friend. But kindly, before I get started this latest views, please kindly subscribe this channel and press the bell icon and select the all option for videos notification. So thank you so much, everyone. You can see here, first of all, I'm gonna show you the latest last 24-hour chart, and after that, I'm gonna show you also the latest price to what's going on in the current condition. But the last 24-hour chart is will be important, my friend, for all of you. So if you can see here, my friends, Hedera Hashgraph completely falls down, my friend, from last 7 days, but definitely after a long time, last 24 hours, you can see here they completely falls down again more than equal. You can see here the average, but definitely you can see here they completely moving, and this circulation, the change occur is minus 1.75%. What a bad change occur, my friend, especially from last 7 days. Or you can see they completely moving, and this circulation to after a fail, after a jump they falls down, and after a fails they take a jump. So exactly, my friends, you completely they were completely moving, and this circulation, it's mean to after this fails they also take a very good jump. And after you can see here this time they starting jumping, they're starting moving upward. So that's mean, my friends, to upcoming time there is a more chance to they moving upward. But let me check out, my friend, the last 1 hour chart. And absolutely, I tell you, my friend, yes, exactly, I am right, my friend. You can see here the last 1 hour chart, 2.88% moving upward. It's mean to the future absolutely will be bright. And you can see here Hedera Hashgraph completely go in the moon. So please comment to we are go in the moon, my brother. Absolutely, hashtag we are go in the moon. Hedera Hashgraph is go in the moon. Kindly holder, this is good news for all of you, my brother. Today change occur after a long time positive. I am so excited, I'm so happy, because, my friend, I lost more than my friend and Hedera Hashgraph if they falls down like that. Exactly, my friend. But I hope in upcoming times they're moving upward, definitely very fastly moving upward. So kindly you need to hold it, kindly. And also, my brother, I told you, I just advise you, my brother, this is not a financial video, to hold it and wait for the end of this month. I hope the Hedera Hashgraph price will be double in upcoming days. They will give you very good profits. Please like this video, subscribe this channel, and press the bell icon for videos notification.